Hello everyone, this is Anisha. Welcome to my daily motivation.
Hi, this is Ramki. First of all, I would like to compliment you for watching this video. I appreciate your quest for meaningful answers for a happy life. I hope this video will provide you some valuable insights in your journey for success and happiness. What I speak here is from my countless years of experience and learning and quest for meaningful answers like you. In this episode of the Powerful Habit series, The Big Secret, we will discuss about motivation. Motive means reason for doing anything, and motivation, reason or set of reasons for acting or behaving in a particular way. By improving motivation, it enables us to take actions increasing chance of achieving results or becoming successful in life. This is possible by changing behavior patterns and achieving the goals. It can be for development of skills, achieving good marks, personality development, personal interests or hobby, professional work targets. It can be for meeting any objective in life. So every action starts with a motive. Why do many of us lack motivation? Some common reasons for lacking motivation are purpose or need is not clearly understood. There is no appreciation or recognition whatsoever. Activity or job not matching with one's own interest. Fear of failure or punishments. Unable to have control over subconscious beliefs or things we have learned in the past. Environment around us does not allow us to do what we want. While I have mentioned these 6 reasons, from my personal experience, I find the top 2 as the main reasons why most of us are not motivated. That is, purpose or need is not clearly understood, or there is no appreciation or recognition whatsoever. The order of priority or key reasons may vary for different individuals. Then how can we improve motivation? Does one solution work for everybody? The answer is no. Each one of us is different. Some powerful ways of motivating self and others are: clearly understand or find the purpose. This is the basic foundation for staying motivated. Have a role model, somebody who inspires you and fuels your thoughts and emotions. One step at a time approach. Take small steps towards your goals. Appreciate self and others. Celebrate success, small or big. Learn from others. You don't have to reinvent the wheel each time. There is lot of knowledge freely available around us these days, and be transparent. As we discussed earlier, the order of priority or the reasons or motivating factors differ for each one of us. Understanding Maslow's hierarchy of human needs is a good step towards understanding motivating factors. This is a very interesting concept. This can be visualized as a pyramid starting from basic need and then progressing upwards based on need fulfillment, depending on the socio-economic status, materialistic status, and spiritual status of the individual. Now here we see the pyramid. It has got 5 levels of hierarchy. It is understood that a person who has to struggle to survive doesn't think as much about higher level needs. Suppose a person is struggling to get food and water. These are the motivating factors for him. He doesn't think about anything else other than this. He goes to the next stage after fulfillment of the lower level needs. Now let us see some of the factors. The first level is a physiological need. Here, air, food, water, shelter, sleep, clothing, reproduction. All these are important for meeting the physiological needs. Without this, the person cannot exist. The human race cannot survive. Once this is fulfilled, we look for next level need of safety. That is personal security, job, resources, wealth, health, prosperity. Once we achieve this, we look for love and belonging. That is friendship, intimacy, family, sense of connection, and so on. Once our desire for love and belonging is fulfilled, we look for self-esteem, respect, status, recognition, strength, and freedom. And once this is achieved, we look for self-actualization or spiritual need, the desire to become the most one can be. Understanding the Maslow's hierarchy helps us to understand the level of motivation the need or problem area which needs to be addressed. Introspect yourself on this pyramid, see where you are, find out which factor is the main cause for your motivation levels not being so high. By addressing this, you can improve your motivation levels. You can also use this to help your family, friends and colleagues. Look out for further videos as we build upon this in our future episodes. The joy of knowledge is in sharing. Stay connected with us, subscribe and like this video. You can also share with your family and friends.